Welcome to the Zephrofel Male Enhancement My Honest Review. We reviewed 100 plus male enhancement brands. You will be shocked at what we found. Don't buy until you read and watch this video till the end. Are you confused? Having some question in your mind about Zephrofel Male Enhancement? Blah blah blah, brr. What is Zephrofel Male Enhancement? What are advantages of Zephrofel Male Enhancement? What are disadvantages of Zephrofel Male Enhancement? Could Zephrofel Male Enhancement amp your sex life? How it works. Zephrofel Male Enhancement. Zephrofel Male Enhancement have any special discount? How to use Zephrofel Male Enhancement. Zephrofel Male Enhancement free trial available now? What are Zephrofel Male Enhancement ingredients? How safe and effective is this product? Zephrofel Male Enhancement have any side effects? Zephrofel Male Enhancement real customer result. Where to buy Zephrofel Male Enhancement? How much cost? Does Zephrofel Male Enhancement is scam? What is doctor opinion? Does diabetes patient use it? 100% genuine, natural product? The cheapest price surety? Immediate delivery of your orders? 100% secure checkout? 30 days buyback guarantee? Same day dispatch on the order status? Who is buzzing about the Zephrofel Male Enhancement? I will clear your all question/confusion about the Zephrofel Male Enhancement. Please visit the website, click the below link, and read complete info of your answer. Click the below link. Know complete information about your confusion.